Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Every judge appointed to this court under Article 124 of the Constitution is invested with the equal duty of adjudicating cases which come to the court and are assigned by the Chief Justice. Stop. Seniority in terms of appointment has no bearing on which cases a judge should hear. Stop. It is a settled position that a judgment delivered by a judge speaks for the court except in the case of a concurring or dissenting opinion. Stop. The Constitution makes a stipulation in Article 124 bracket 3 for the appointment of judges of the Supreme Court from the High Courts, from the bar and from amongst distinguished jurists. Stop. Appointment to the Supreme Court is conditioned upon the fulfillment of the qualifications prescribed for the holding of that office under Article 124 bracket 3 stanza. Once appointed, every judge of the court is entitled to and in fact duty bound to hear such cases as are assigned by the Chief Justice. Stop. Judges drawn from the High Courts are appointed to this court after long years of service. Stop. Members of the bar who are elevated to this court similarly are possessed of wide and diverse experience gathered during the course of the years of practice at the bar. Stanza. To suggest that any judge would be more capable of deciding particular cases or that certain categories of cases should be assigned only to the seniormost among the judges of the Supreme Court has no foundation in principle or precedent. Stop. To hold otherwise would be to cast a reflection on the competence and ability of other judges to deal with all cases assigned by the Chief Justice, notwithstanding the fact that they have fulfilled the qualifications mandated by the Constitution for appointment to the office. Stanza. The submissions which have been made by the petitioner in regard to the constitution of benches in the High Courts are, in view of the above discussion, equally lacking in merit. Stop. We emphatically disapprove of the insinuations sought to be made against judges drawn from the cadre of the district judiciary. Stop. The Constitution has made specific provisions in Article 217 bracket 2 for the appointment of judges to the High Court. Stop. Judges of the High Court drawn from the bar or from those who have held judicial office for at least 10 years discharge the same functions as judges of the court upon their appointment under Article 217. Stop. To suggest that there is a distinction between the two is contrary to constitutional tenets. Stanza. The chartered High Courts of Allahabad, Bombay, Calcutta and Madras have a long history of over 150 years. Stop. Each of them has marked its sesquicentennial. Stop. Many high courts are not far behind in vintage. Stop. Some are of a recent origin. Stop. Over the course of their judicial history, high courts have evolved conventions in matters governing practice and procedure. Stop. These conventions provide guidance to the Chief Justice in the allocation of work, including in the constitution of benches. Stop. The High Courts periodically publish a roster of work under the authority of the Chief Justice. Stop. The roster indicates the constitution of benches, division and single. Full stop. Over.